guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my everyday kind of natural makeup look. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. So I already have my eyebrows done and my foundation on. Now we're going to go directly into my concealer. So I'm just going to go right underneath, kind of up in the inner corner a little bit too. And then nose area. And then any blemishes that I have. But I normally like to blend it in with a brush like this. Then to set the concealer, I like to go back into my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation and just use the same exact brush and set the concealer. Now I'm going to go into my blush palette. This is the QC Makeup Academy blush palette. And I'm going to take this brush from Shani. This is brush number 29. And I like to mix kind of three colors. I mix this one, this one, this one, and this one together. So I'm just going to put that on the apples of my cheeks and then work my way. Now I'm going to take my QC Makeup Academy highlighting brush. I'm going to take this brush from Old Fashioned. I'm going to take this color here and just light it here. I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Sonia Kashuk and I'm just going to blend everything. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Gen Nude eye primer from Bare Minerals and I'm going to apply that to the entire eyelid. And I'm going to take my NARS single eyeshadow called Baby Girl and I'm going to put that on the eyelid. For the crease, I'm going to use my Rimmel bronzer. Then I'm going to go back into the highlight palette and highlight my brow bone. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. And I'm going to use two mascaras. The first one, I'm going to use my Maybelline The Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. And then for the other mascara, after I let the first coat dry, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Scandal Eyes Volume On Demand Mascara. Last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to first, I'm going to spray my DIY finishing spray. And then just pat that in with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to put on my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys next time. Bye!